Hello guys, pag-usapan natin ngayon si megastar Sharon Cuneta. Ito pala si Sharon ay hindi pwedeng magkape na walang sugar. Nung nag-guest siya doon sa KC After Hours, napanood ko siya na yung mug niya ay nilagyan ng ilang teaspoon at 3 teaspoon of brown sugar. Full. Tapos, ito namang isang vlog niya ay napanood ko rin na ilang sachet na kape o na sugar ang inilagay niya doon sa kape niya. So, napakahilig pala sa sugar itong ating megastar. Hindi siya makapagkape na walang sugar ang kanyang coffee.
Sorry, I really love sugar. So for this size, to try first to cream, coffee creamer. I have my own, so we'll get it later because we just arrived last night. Yeah, I usually sleep with a hoodie because I like it really cold, and then even in Manila, I like to feel like it's always like I'm always in the States at saka malamig and it's cold.